Okay, so hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a really exciting video for you all. This is going to be my second episode of my, I was going to say declutter, of my, what's it called, room makeover 2018. So, today I just actually, it's really early and I actually was like really ill last night and it was horrible, but anyway, I'm fine now, so that's if I'm a bit like tired, then just ignore that. But I'm going to try still be myself, but if I'm half asleep, then I'm really sorry. But yeah, today I just need to clear every single last thing out of my room, like genuinely. Even the furniture, everything has to be gone, because my dad's repainting my walls tomorrow. This is Saturday the 1st of September, because my dad's repainting all the walls and doing my whole new floor tomorrow. So legit, everything, even the like I have to even unscrew the shelves from the wall. That's going to be fun, woohoo! So before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, give it a big thumbs up. And yeah, I have one thing to show you before we get started. Oh, that was good! Okay, so I actually ordered from a company called Desino. Sorry, I don't know how to say it. But yeah, I saw this in... Zvella did a like little room makeover in her spare bedroom and on a like vlog channel, and I was like, I saw them, I was like, oh, these look quite cool. So I went on their website and I was like, okay, I found a few, because basically I'm gonna have like a montage wall, and that's why I bought the where they got on IKEA frames in there. That's why I bought the IKEA frames for these. So I literally like, I haven't opened them, so well, I opened it out of the box. It came in this like black thin box, but I haven't opened them, and it was, I used Zella's code, but it's not actually active anymore, so I'm very sorry about that. But yeah, such good service, wrapped well, amazing. Can't really think of anything that could be better than that. Okay, so the first one I got, they're a bit bent obviously, but when they're in the frame they'll be fine. I got this one, it says you look lovely, and this was a 13x18, and it was actually, I think it was about £3, £2.95. All the small ones are £2.95. Yeah, you look lovely. And then my next small 13x18, so that is that size here, 13x18. It's a little flamingo, really cute. And then another small one I got was my favourite, like one out of the small ones. It's just this Paris Mademoiselle, because it's a Chanel perfume. How gorgeous is that? Another tiny diddy one. And then I got two of the sizes of these, 21x30, and I got this one, and it says Paris is always a good idea, because Paris is like, I've been to Paris 3 times now, and honestly it's my life. I love it. I'm returning back hopefully at Christmas, but definitely for my birthday next year when I'm 15. And yeah, it says Audrey Hepburn. She's also one of my top 3 inspirations. And then I got this one, the same size. She designed a life she loved. This has always been one of my favourite quotes ever, and it has like the pink like backwash behind it. And then lastly, my favourite one is massive. It's a 30x40 centimetres, and it's just Coco Paris 31 Rue Cambon, and that's actually the first ever Chanel shop there ever was. She lived above it, and if you go to my Paris vlogs, you can see in it that I went there. But yeah, I just thought I'd tell you all. Oh yeah, these ones were, I think, £5 or £6 that size, and this one was £10. So yeah, just thought I'd share that with you, and I'm just going to put them in their frames now so they can stay like not bent. Okay, so it's a bit later now, and I've just been clearing out some of my room. Please ignore how just horrible I look. Like I said, I was ill. But yeah, I've just got this box. Oh, I've just been sitting on something that's wet. Okay, right. This box, and I'm going to put all of my clothes in this box. Yeah, and that's so weird that I'm putting my clothes in a box. Yeah, lovely. Anyway, yeah, please just ignore how horrible I look, etc. Okay, so I have so many clothes. So I have a wardrobe full of clothes, drawers full of clothes in there, but they're packed away. And then yeah, this is the current situation in my room. Okay, there's my underwear, absolutely lovely. Let me just shut that drawer. Okay, so this whole Alex 9 drawer. Oh, by the way, I am getting rid of all my furniture, but I'm selling it on another place because it's for pickup only, and obviously I don't really want anyone to know my address, so I'm selling it on a very private place. My mum's doing it for me, so yeah, no one's going to be able to buy anything. I'm really sorry. But yeah, all of the drawers are empty now. I need to clean them before I sell them. I did this yesterday actually, I just finished it off today. It's lovely sanitary towel wrapper thing. Exactly. Oh, that is grim to clean that one out. Yeah, basically, and then current situ, like literally, this is because I don't wear makeup anymore. If you want to know why, I've done a video on it, so don't comment down below. Yeah, this is literally all the makeup I've left, and I'm gonna actually throw loads of this out still. So yeah, not throw, but like sell it, unless it's like disgustingly used. But yeah, I need to actually package my clothes in here, and then yeah, that'll be good. So it's going well so far. I've put all of them clothes in, and I've still got a few left, and like bits around my room. It's like quite a lot of time has passed now, but I've just literally nearly done all of my room now. Well, not all of it, I mean like cleaned it out. So basically these are just, that is on my rubbish bin, and then that's like some things I need to store, and then all of this is empty, all the drawers. I need to get this out, and then I need to clear that out. And yeah, I got rid of that, everything. I just need to sort out there. They are empty except from the skincare drawer. I need to clear that. And then here in my mum's room, I've put these, my cupboard, and I cleaned it all so I can sell it. This is all of my, no, okay, right. This is why I need a bigger wardrobe. This is all of my clothes. There, massive box, and there. Can you believe it? Like, genuinely, it's like hundreds of clothes. Like, it goes down for like days. No joke. That you can see. It's ridiculous. Like, no one please buy this amount of clothes. It's stupid. But yeah, it's going well. Obviously I emptied my, I emptied my bed drawers the other day, so, oh no, I need to empty the shoes. Alright, I'm going to empty my shoes, I think, now. Or, oh, actually I'm going to put them in the other rooms, yeah. Got my books down. So yeah, we're doing quite well. Okay, so hello everyone, it's now Sunday. Well, I don't know if I said I was getting my floor, but I'm actually choosing my floor today. I am getting wooded floor. I was going to get grey carpet, but I really wanted wood floor, so I'm getting wood floor. Or a laminate, I don't know, something like that. It's going to be grey, whitey coloured. But yeah, I still haven't cleaned out all my room, yay. So right now I'm just cleaning out my shoes, and I'm going to put them in that bag there. But yeah, some things are stored in my like shed. It's not really a shed, it's more like another house in our garden. But these are all my clothes there, and there. Got some things stored there. Yeah, now I'm just going to clear out the rest of my room. Okay, so we're really getting somewhere. I am going to put this in our outhouse, which is like a massive shed, but we call it like an annex thing. And oh, if you can hear my YouTuber watching, Nikki and Gabby, haven't watched them in a long time, but yeah, I've taken down my mirror now, and literally, well, everything's empty. That's empty, all of them are empty, like everything's empty. Got my Ariana Grande merch on, and I'm looking a right old little state, but that's alright. Everything's empty. Gabby. Some yellow eyeshadow and a cotton bud, brilliant. And actually too, yeah, basically, I want to take that off, but yeah, I need to take that off, but well, yeah, so we're getting somewhere very well. Okay, so my mum and dad are back now, so they're gonna help me like take my furniture out, and please can have a look. But I'm really excited, basically, because I'm going to choose my floor soon. But I think I'm going to clear my like thing out now, like my furniture. And what was I going to say? Yeah, it's so exciting. I think I've said that a million times. So I'm literally getting my floor now, my dad just said, but I thought I'd do a quick OOTD. So just got my hair down, and this top, this top is like from Primark. I got it ages ago though. These shorts are from Zara, and then this like jacket is from Zara. So yeah, let's go. No entrance.
Oh no.
Oh. Sorry. It's in my house. So we're at B&Q now.
No, it's something.
say hello?
Hello.
Okay, yeah, so we're at B&Q, got one of these little things. Oh, this is cute. Yeah, so I've never looked at floors like this before. Oh wow. Whoa, it's £5,000. That car was less than that we just looked at.
That's some lovely coloured light bulbs.
Oh, fancy.
Should we get a new light bulb?
Yeah, so we just sold our car for anyone wondering. So, because we'd rather have we'd rather have a not as good car, but we'd rather have more holidays. So, yeah, that's the choice we're going for. So we like this one.
Yeah.
Because that is a bit brown. It looks a bit.
No, that's not right.
Yeah, I like that.
Or that.
Yeah, that's £17. Oh, £7 per 50 metres.
50.
I mean,
you won't get 50
no,
metres
it's £2.
out of
No,
that.
don't worry. I like that. Let's look.
So that one's a different.
Yeah, let's look. Yeah, that's no. I don't like any of these. Or this. Look. That, or is that? Oh, that's laminate. Is it all laminate? Yes, all laminate. I think that one then.
Let's have a look there.
I love that. I'm going for my shabby chic vibes. What do you think about shabby chic?
What?
What do you think of shabby chic?
Yeah, it's that stuff that's sort of worn, isn't it?
Yeah.
When I buy that floor, I could chisel it up a bit.
That's a bit embarrassing.
Yeah, I know. What about?
No.
No.
That? No, I like that, the grey one more.
No, I do.
Yeah, not.
No, it's cheaper.
Well, no, because I like the other one more.
Let's have a look.
Earlier, my dad went. We were having an argument about how much my floor will cost, and he went to my mum just because she wants her room to like Audrey Hepburn's, and I was like, "What does Audrey Hepburn's room look like?" And my dad was like, "I don't know." No, that looks cheapy. Don't like that. I like I like the other
You've got
one.
to make sure you.
Yeah, because I don't want my floor to look like a kitchen.
No, that's good. It says £17 each. You're gonna need these.
Yeah.
Right, because it's gonna basically be crap if you don't.
Yeah.
Because that's the cushion.
Oh, this is my dad for anyone wondering if you're new.
And I'm looking at green sponge to try and basically quieten the wooden floor that my daughter wants. That's going to make a bloody great big sound when I hear it down in the living room.
Yeah.
Still, she got her own way anyway.
Because I cry a lot, and I was crying the other day, and then he felt bad for me, so he went, "Oh, you can have wood floor if you want." No, he's coming to himself. Is you alright? You alright? You alright? He's counting. Okay, we've got this massive thing. I like B&Q, it's cute. Okay, so we ended up going with this floor here. It's more wood-like, and it's really nice. And we've got like spongy thing. This is my dad's van because he's like a builder. Well, he's not a builder. He does like pepper dashing and that. But yeah, we're gonna start the floor. Like, take out my blue carpet and then start the floor today. What?
I've just got someone moving in, a homeless person, not in this bedroom, in the place next door. But now someone's decided to do a room up.
No.
Move all this. What do you mean no? Move all this now into the room that he's supposed to be in. By the way, I work with this person.
Yeah, you make it sound like you've got him off the street.
No, I haven't.
Yeah,
no. He's
it's
a
my
friend
dad's
who's
friend.
been chucked out of his flat.
I don't think he wants his whole life story to
I don't. I'm just saying, now that I've decided he can use the annex, someone's decided to do her room up and clear everything out of her bedroom and put it in the annex. So where's he going to sleep, eh?
On my bed.
In the annex, and he'll have to climb over everything. Won't he?
Well, it's better than on the streets.
Oh yeah, I know, but you have to have his legs out the door now, won't he?
Can scrunch them
Have to
up.
put him some nice big socks and welly boots on in case it rains.
What if he watches this?
Who?
Alright.
He's not going to subscribe to you. He's 54, is he? No. He's not going to say, "Hi, Summer. Just wondering if you could give me some makeup tips.
I like do makeup.
So can you do us ASOS?
ASOS! It's just called ASOS, ASOS.
Oh, ASOS.
Alright, anyway, so this is the current situation. We've got a bin here,
Can you
over here.
Sorry, can you take a picture of that bed? Karen, can you get my camera, mate?
What, are you going to send it to him?
No, I've got to take a picture because I've got to take it all apart. And I ain't got instructions now.
Oh.
No, I bet not on your phone because you'll be wanting it.
No, oh yeah. I'll send it to you. Done.
I'd rather Mum gets the camera.
Right.
To be honest with you.
God. Yeah, my dad's been a bit grumpy.
I'm not grumpy at all. I just can't believe your timing.
No, well, I didn't know the person was moving in, did I?
He's
Oh, it's blue! Ah.
Well, that was done up. Well, that was done up tight, wasn't it? See, what kind of drill knot do it?
If you haven't seen my channel, like haven't been around for a while, you wouldn't know. I have the best doggy in the world, don't I? He's called Chip. He's a year and 7 months old. Nearly a year and 8 months, aren't you, Bubble? And look at his big eyeballs. And he's a Bichon Frise, cross a poodle. He's a French dog. Parisian puppy. No, that's so cute. A Parisian pooch. Oh, stop being cringe. Okay, so we're laying my floor down now. So here we go. Where did you come from? Where did it's cringe? Right, I'll bring 3 up for now. This is so exciting.
Don't lay them down yet, darling.
Okay.
We've just got to rip
I'll put them here.
Yeah, put them there, yeah. Go on, baby. Be careful because that's
Okay. Oh, here is my room. Whoa! There's my bare floorboards. Okay, this is scary, isn't it? It's really weird. It's going to be all fresh and nice. It's going to be all fresh and nice. So I've got to get my wardrobe out of here and hello.
Hello. You alright?
Yeah. Look at my floorboards. Okay, so it's currently 10 o'clock, so like really late, and this is the current state of my room. So my dad's just, sorry, the camera quality is really bad. My dad's just pinned down the green like soft bit before we put the floor on. That's what's all left of the room now, and it looks massive actually. I'm really excited. I just need to take that off the wall. But yeah, that I'm gonna go now basically. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed. Give it a big thumbs up. Let's try and get 1k likes. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment down below and I love you all so much. Bye.